Hi everyone, it's Tarnished Treasures and I am back from Saturday Thrifting and I'm here to share with you what I purchased. Today there was definitely a theme with the things that I bought and I found multiples of most of the things as well. First, the theme or the category is display stands. I paid $1 for this wooden handmade stand. It's a heart at the bottom and it would be great to display a hat or the baby bonnets that I collect. So I found two stands on eBay and they weren't $1. So to find a nice peach color that will work perfect in this room, and I'll be able to display another baby bonnet in here. I also found this glass display stand for 75 cents and it's just very delicate. It's glass, and with Christmas coming, it will be perfect to display an ornament that I want to highlight. Today was also the day for holiday tins. I found this tin. It is a fruitcake tin. So I love that for Christmas. It has holly leaves on it, and it's a nice faded red color. It is a little darker than this orange that's coming up, and I think that this fits with that shabby Victorian theme. I think that there are so many uses for this tin besides just sticking it on display. You could create a sculpture in it. It can store Christmas ornaments. You could make some truffles and put them in a plastic bag and give a hostess gift in this. I think it would also be nice on a buffet, and it could hold sugar packets or hot chocolate pouches and just make it very pretty. So I paid $4 each for these tins, and I actually already have this tin, but I haven't come across them much. When I saw this one, I was happy to find it. I like to put this out for all different times of the year. I like it for Christmas because it's green and it's mint. I like it for the pastel of spring. Today was also the day for jewelry, and specifically pins. Yes, that's all I got is pins. I paid $1 each for these diamond pins, and I'm going to display them with the pins that have the initials and monograms, specifically these types of pins, and I thought that this would go nicely, and I could even put a smaller pin on the inside. I paid 50 cents for each of these. We have a rhinestone horseshoe. Yes, it is missing, I think like one rhinestone, maybe two, maybe that long one. But for 50 cents, I picked it up. And then this little bird pin, which I have had and used in sculptures before. I love that color. And then these were $1 each. They are, I don't know if they'd just be mourning pins or just a way that you would, like a locket almost. So we have this one here, which is missing the backing, but that's an easy fix. And then there's this one, a little hard to see the picture, a little boy. Looks like maybe in a bathing suit, possibly. And the back says made in Holland. Funny enough, today was the day of sunglasses. 50-cent sunglasses. So I've cleaned them up now, and I realized that I found some nice sunglasses. This, I think, is the only pair that doesn't have any type of marking for me to know what brand they are. But to me, I feel like it's like a pair that I gravitate towards at Target. So little brown tortoiseshell, very neutral. This pair here, a little bit of a different lens. They are rounder, purple and black. And let's see, what was that? Oh, I looked right there and it says Gap on the end. So I don't know how much sunglasses cost at the Gap. Now this pair I could tell, it said Isaac Mizrahi. You know, he's a pretty good designer. So a pair of Isaac Mizrahi sunglasses, all slightly different. And then this was the one pair that was a little bit different, and I also think it has a slight purple feel to it. So when I was cleaning this one up, and I don't know if this is true or not, but you can see it says Burberry, made in Italy. I don't know. And I actually really like the way that these look. And I can see there's a little serial number on the lens right there. So that, if it's true, was an amazing find. It was the day of Christmas items and Christmas items in multiples. First are these angels. They were $7.50 for the pair. They were at a consignment shop. I collect these angels. I have 3, and now I've added 2 more. I have 4 that look like her, and this new one is the only one in this style. They are made in Italy, and this is definitely the aesthetic that I'm leaning towards for Christmas. I also spent $5 on these little Christmas trees. I actually have a box that these will fit in that were specifically for these 1-inch trees. The little tree box that I got years ago for $8, and it had the trees in it, and I thought, well, I really want to decorate with them. I think it even had a little insert, so obviously I was not thinking, but it had 4 and it needs to be repaired. I could even store them in here and then take them out every year, but isn't that, we can look at the box for a little bit. Made in the USA. Miniature Christmas trees, 4 trees for 10 cents. I don't even think I ever noticed that. Maybe I'll repair this box. Miniature Christmas trees, when placed on favors and dishes, add life and spirit to the party. Add spirit and color to your table decorations. Delight the guests and please the children. And the bottom, just plain. Okay, welcome home, little trees. And today was the day of glass domes and cloches and jars. So first, I spent $2.25 on this jar, and it has this nice color on the lid. I thought it would be nice for fall, Halloween, or to flip upside down and do some type of scene for Christmas. I've been thinking about doing that, and it just hasn't happened. And it is a hazel atlas jar, and it's from a consignment shop. This was the second time I've been to this consignment thrift shop. It has some vendors, it has consignment, and it's definitely thrift store prices. So it looks like this was donated about 6 weeks ago. These domes, the date was just 2 days ago. It was like November 19th, and today's the 21st. I paid $3.25 for each of these. It looked like they had about 6 or 7, and they had a whole wall that was precious moments. Either precious moments or precious memories. I can't remember what they're called. And the first time I had been in this store, I had noticed they had a lot of that as well. So I don't know if it's very popular at the store. So there was a little figurine in there from 1991, and then this was metal and it had glass. And I thought $3.25 was great because I was looking to get a few of these that had an older feel to them. I love the green for Christmas, and I think this will be nice to highlight an individual ornament. So, like I said, they might have had about 6 of them. I picked up 2, and if I find a use for them and want to do some more things, I will probably go pick them up because I don't think $3.25 is a bad price. I think because the prices are so good at this consignment shop that they don't do some type of like markdown for dates. It's just a certain amount of time, and then they will donate it or you can come pick it up. So for the last thing I found, which I might be the most excited about, is this glass dome. So as I was checking out, I saw this off to the side. Something was blocking it, but I could tell it was metal, glass, or plastic. So she told me the total, and I went over to the side and I saw this and I said, "Is that for sale?" And the one lady said, "Oh, I think someone's shopping and they've put that off to the side." And then the lady bringing me up goes, "Nope." And she grabbed it and she said, because you can see the date, August 11th, she said, "I had just taken it out of the system." So it's been there from August and nobody purchased this. And for that price. So she said, "I just took it out of the system." And the lady said, "Well, we'll just make it a donation. I don't know, $4, $2. So she did it 50% off, and I spent $4 on this. So it fits like the both things that I love, the cloche and the perfume bottle. So it's this little girl, and I believe that I've seen this little girl perfume without the flowers on eBay. Little velvet flowers, little velvet ribbon. It's just awesome. And I love the base. And then this little label, Yesteryear Perfume, 1 ounce, distributed by, I think it says Babs Creations Incorporated. And the fact that it has the glass piece. And I believe that the Schiaparelli Shocking Perfume also came under domes as well. So I don't know if I'm just going to keep it all together and put it on display or take her off and then use the dome for something else. She doesn't come out that easily. I don't want to force her yet, but it's just one of those things where the one lady said, I think someone's holding it, and I really thought I was going to like fall over. And the other lady goes, nope, and I might give it to you for $2 or $4. I said, thank you. It just made my day. I have to get a stand to get up there to arrange it better, but I love how the new stand is a medium height compared to the other two, so it just works perfectly. I'll probably stick it right there. And also, I forgot, there was this gorgeous black coat at the thrift shop for $30, but it was too big for me. But I'm going to share a little footage at the end because I've been looking for a jacket like this. And this one, the price was right, the condition was amazing. Just the size, too big. So thanks again for watching. Bye.
What do you put in? How much is this one?